This new Nike sneaker is from the future. So Nike just sent me this crazy upcoming pair of sneakers, but let's rewind back to when I first unboxed it to give you guys the full experience. So this package just came in from Nike, and today I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and show you one of the most futuristic things I've ever seen. Well, I haven't seen yet, but I've seen like product images of it, and it looks wild. So let's cut this guy open really quick and see what it looks like in person. Okay, so obviously I opened it from the bottom, which is okay, I guess. Let's flip it over. Here we go. We got a note. It says, Seth, stoked for you to experience the boots. Looking forward to your feedback, Jack. Thanks so much, Jack. Appreciate it. Wow, look at this box. Okay, so we've got the words Hyperboot on the top. Right there, Hyperboot. This is a size 8 through 10. So I guess it's a multi-size situation, which will make sense when you actually see what it is. And then it says innovation that pushes the boundary for athletes right there on the side. On this side, it says revolutionary technology featuring Normatec dynamic air compression, hyperheat thermal technology, a collaboration between Nike and Hyper Ice, warm up plus recovery. Okay, I'm excited about this. I've seen pictures of these. They look wild. Let's just dive into it. Let's get into this whole unboxing. See how they look. Here we go. Okay, moment of truth. Whoa, these are crazy. Yo, huge shout out to Nike for sending these my way. I really appreciate it. These are crazy. Wow, look at that. That is nuts. Oh my gosh. So these are actually the Nike Hyper Ice Hyper Boots. These are recovery boots and also warm-up boots that were worn by the athletes at the Paris Olympics in 2024. And they're officially releasing next month, which is crazy. Here, let me put this bigger box on the ground. Let's see what they got inside this little box right here. It looks like we've got some cables. You've got I guess a European prong. You've got a couple different, actually a bunch of different prong options. Hopefully I'm not doing this prong. You've got a USB-C to USB type A cable right there. Actually, two USB-C to USB type A cables right there. And it looks like the power brick actually allows you to plug both of those in at the same time, presumably to charge both of these boots. And then you've also got, wow, this is a thick instruction manual. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've never seen one this thick before. That's what she said. Oh, it's blank. They're all blank. All right, okay, cool. I don't know. Is this like a sample? Is this like a placeholder? It's actually, it really could be a sample. We'll check the size tags later on to see if this is in fact a sample, which would be really cool if it is. But let's take a look at the shoes themselves. So here we go. The Hyper Ice Nike Hyper Boot, or I guess the Nike Hyper Ice Hyper Boot. So this boot, like I said, is a recovery boot. It is made specifically for compression and heating and things like that to make sure that you're feeling your best before you start playing or after you finish playing, which is super cool. And it looks crazy futuristic. And it's also not the lightest boot in the world either. This is a pretty heavy thing, a pretty chunky boy, if I do say so myself. So you've got controls on this side right here. I guess on the medial side, you've got power, you've got maybe vibration, you've got temperature, and then you've got play and pause. Now, if you're not familiar with Hyper Ice makes recovery tools and recovery products that help athletes be the best that they can be. That's not something you told me to say, but that's just how I feel about it. I have Hyper Ice products. I really like them a lot. I've used Hyper Ice products in the past. I really like them. I have that thing that like hammers, I don't know what it's called, but it like hammers your muscles after you've worked out, or even just if your muscles are stiff or sore or something like that. Feels great. It really works out the kinks. It doesn't always feel great. Sometimes it hurts, but that's because your muscles are like really tight. Doesn't happen to me a lot as a 33-year-old dad who doesn't exercise as much as he should. But when it does happen, it's nice to have it. And this is gonna be great for when I go on runs or maybe, I don't know, play in the NBA one day. I'm still hoping. Still hoping. Oh my gosh, look at these. We're gonna have to try these on really quick, see how they fit, see how they feel, and then try out obviously the compression tech and the heat tech and things like that. So I do want to charge these guys up. There we go. Before we do that, let's get a really quick look at the outside of these shoes. Or boots, I guess. I guess we should try them out, see how they fit and see how they feel. So let's do it. All right, it's finally time to try on the brand new Hyper Boots from Nike and Hyper Ice. I'm so excited about it. I've been seeing these on people's feet, well, athletes' feet, since June of last year. So I'm really excited to see if they give me the power to be an Olympic athlete. They probably won't. You know, it's a claim that you can't prove, but I do think they'll make recovery after a long day of carrying my daughter around, or maybe going for a morning run, really nice. So let's throw these on feet, see how they feel. This is so different from a regular sneaker review for me. Like usually I try the shoes on, see how they fit. I mean, there is sizing here, so I'll give you guys sizing advice. But it's also gonna be like a whole new foot experience. I got some notes on the shoes right here so I can give you guys some information about these shoes and all the little details. But let me throw them on feet really quick, see how they fit, see how they feel, and then try out some of the recovery features. Okay, so there we go. There's a couple straps on the side. There we go. Okay, let's try out the straps on this side. There we go. It looks like the two straps on the top can be sort of placed anywhere you want on the side of the shoe. So it gives you sort of a customizable way to get these on. Now I kind of want to stand up in these really quick to see how they look on foot. I don't think this is a shoe that you're supposed to really walk around in, but I guess you can. Like I am walking around in these right now. They don't feel bad. They look super futuristic, which is cool. So let's try these guys on. I really have no idea what to expect. So I'm gonna click the power button right here. And let's see what happens. There we go, there goes that one. Can you guys hear that? I'm not sure what they're doing, but they are vibrating. They are vibrating. Let me click this button. Oh, you can increase the power. Oh, that's super cool. So when you click one button on one shoe, it does the same thing on the other shoe. So they're connected, which is sick. Let me up the temperature. Okay, so I've got everything full power. I'm gonna hit play. They're compressing around my feet right now. Ooh, that's really interesting. Okay, so I can feel like compression units, I guess like here towards the side of my foot, up around the back of my heel area, and then on the inside of my foot right here too. Wow, they're really compressing. Ooh, they're really compressing. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and they're warm. I'm not mad at that. Whew. This is nice. I'm enjoying this. My feet are getting warmed. They're compressing around my feet. There's a lot of compression there too. They really can compress. It's mainly around your heels and then the top of your foot right here. That's where it seems like the air bladders are. I'm assuming that's what they are that they're using for compression. So they kind of compress, and then as you guys can hear, they let out the air. They feel great. Oh my gosh. It's like so warm. It's getting warmer too. It hasn't hit like the full warmth levels yet. Wow, that's crazy. This last level of compression is definitely the most compression. So it seems like they just go through a cycle of like compression and then decompression, compression, decompression. Oh man, they're so warm. I'm literally just gonna chill like this. Sorry guys, I don't know about the rest of this video. I might just chill. Okay, I'm gonna try some different levels of compression. I'm gonna lower the compression levels. Let me pause, there we go. Oh, okay. I'm gonna lower the compression levels down to maybe 1, and then I'm gonna try the heat levels at 1, see what happens. So lower compression, less heat. Okay, so there's 3 settings. There's some compression with some heat. Well, there's like, technically if you add them all together, there's a bunch of different combinations of the settings, but the 2 options that you have are heat and compression, and there's 3 different levels for each one of those. So I've got them both on the lowest right now. I had them both on the highest a second ago. With the lower level settings, it's just kind of like a light press on your foot. The highest level is more like a firm press. It doesn't feel constrictive, like it doesn't feel like a reflexology massage or anything like that, but it definitely kind of presses your foot in the right places. Now the heat on the lowest level is still nice, it's just kind of warm. I think it is still kind of cooling down from what I had at the highest levels. But yeah, I'm gonna try something out. I don't know if this is recommended. They didn't say whether this is recommended, but I'm gonna try walking around them really quick while they're doing their thing. Well, while these guys are going, let me go over some of the tech specs. Nike says that they have dual action performance, which combines targeted heat therapy with award-winning Normatec dynamic air compression massage in a wearable and mobile high-top device. I can attest to that. It also features a customized experience featuring 3 distinct levels of compression and heat, which we already talked about, controlled via an intuitive button interface. It operates left and right devices individually or synchronize them with a single press. I've only done the synchronized operation, but I can understand how individual would be nice. Apparently it's got some deep tissue benefits. It says dual air compression bladders developed from award-winning Normatec technology bonded to warming elements inspired from Hyperis's thermal technology. Distribute heat evenly throughout the entire shoe, driving scientifically proven therapeutic benefits deep into the foot and ankle muscle tissues and joints. Very nice. Proven performance enhancement. Nike athletes at the Paris 2024 Olympics reported their feet and ankles felt freer and lighter, as if they had already completed their warm-ups before starting their full warm-up routine when using the Hyperboot before competition. So I'm gonna let these guys chill for a minute, take them off, and see how I feel. See if I feel like I'm ready to run a marathon or play for Team USA. Let's find out. See how my feet feel. Wow, they are really nice and warm inside. And not like a gross warm where you like have a pair of shoes that you've been wearing all day. It's like actually like a nice warmth. I mean, I'm sure it would be a gross warm if you wore these all day, but I did not do that. Okay, so first impressions out of the boots. The nice Apothecary socks on foot. You know how I do. Feel great, soft, comfortable on foot. I'm talking about the socks. Grab them on Apothecary's website next Friday. It's part of the heat map collection. The shirt and the socks that I'm rocking, all part of the heat map collection. But actually getting to my feet. My feet feel good. They feel really good. They feel loose. I mean, okay. Let me level with you guys for a second. I'm not really an athlete, so I don't really know how they're supposed to feel. I will say though that they do feel like I've just walked out of a hot shower, which is nice. They do feel, I mean, there's no pain, no tension. I don't know if there was a huge amount of that before, to be honest though, but definitely nice. I'm interested to try these out for like the next, let's say 2 weeks and maybe after a run, see how they feel. If you guys want to see a full video on that, let me know in the comment section down below. First impressions, very nice. I don't know though how important these are for someone who isn't doing athletics. Like if you're just a regular dude going to and from the office, I don't know how important it is to have something like this. I don't know if you need something like this, but if you're going on like daily runs, or maybe you're trying to recover from some sort of foot injury or something like that, maybe this is the way to go. Maybe it's worth the money. I don't know what the price point is gonna be yet though, but I will say as someone who received this product free from Nike, this video is not sponsored, they just sent me this product. This is something that I will be using. Like it feels really, really nice. And my feet are still kind of like, I still feel like they're cooling down a little bit. Like, it still feels like I walked out of the shower. It's nice. It's a really nice feeling. But all right, let's head back to the studio. All right, so I've had a couple hours to sit with the Nike Hyperice Hyperboot. And I've gotta say, it's really cool. It's very, very cool. Now, is it for everyone? Probably not. I definitely say it's more of an athletic product, and without knowing the price point, assuming it's gonna be on the higher end. Now, if you're someone that could afford it and thinks that it could also benefit your life, I do think this would be a really cool product to have. I think Nike and Hyperice did a really nice job creating these compression and heating boots, and it's been probably about 45 minutes since I last used them, and my ankles are still feeling great, like still feeling super loose. They honestly still feel like, not warm, but they're still coming off the warmness, which is cool. Like I'm really, really impressed with how it feels, and I think it looks sick. Now I know that's not really important because you're not gonna be wearing these and walking around in these that often, like not out and about outside of the house probably, or outside of the gym or wherever you wear these, but they do look really cool and very futuristic. Now sizing wise, this pair was made for a size 8 to a size 10, and I even had my wife try these on. She's a size 6.5 women's, I think size 5 men's actually. And what's cool is that it still sort of worked. I think it actually compresses until it feels resistance and then it stops. So it actually still compressed around her foot. For me, because I have bigger ankles than she does, it didn't compress as much because it didn't need to, but I think that's a really cool feature. Now, I didn't actually test this out, but there is the Hyperice app that you can use to get the most out of these shoes, which allow you to really customize the fit and the feel, which is cool. And again, you can have one shoe with a different compression setting than the other shoe, or you can have them compressed together, which I did because I don't really feel like one of my ankles is in worse shape than the other. But I will say that it's a very, very cool product. It's very futuristic, and I think that Nike and Hyperice created something very unique. Now, if you want to grab the Nike Hyperice Hyper Boots, they drop officially on May 17th. Again, don't know the price point yet. They didn't let me know, but I do think that if this is something you can use, definitely worth it. I think it's a really cool, really great feeling product, and I can guarantee you tonight when I'm watching TV, after not doing anything athletic, I'm gonna throw these on feet and go to bed with ankles that feel amazing. Now, I know it's probably not the right use case, but I don't care. I love them. Again, huge thank you to Nike for sending these out. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me this product for free to test and show you guys, so thank you to them for that. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a more in-depth review of this pair of shoes. This was really just more of an overview or an unboxing. Let me know in those comments. Maybe I'll drop like a YouTube short or something like that, or maybe do a full video if you guys really want to see that. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.